Hey, and thank you for joining me for another short tutorial. Today, I want to show you guys how to make one of these cool circular tags, right? In other words, many times we want to make a text go in a circle. Now, the way most people do it is by using the warp tool, which is this thing right here, and they'll arc it. Now, the thing with this is that it sort of distorts the text, and it's really not what we're going for. We want a perfect circle. Now for that, let's go ahead and try this here. Okay, hello world, right? I'm just gonna cut it, and I'm going down here in the ellipse tool. I'm clicking that. Now up here under paths, I'm gonna go ahead and select that. And as you know, to make a perfect circle, you have to hold down shift. So I'm going to hold down shift, make the circle, and release. So if I want to add text to it, I just click on the text tool and start typing on top of it. Now I'm just going to paste it, but I think you catch my drift. Now, the key here is spacing. To make this go all around, you'll need this toolbar right here. So you highlight the text and adjust the spacing. So right now it's at 150, but if I were to make it 250, then it begins to fit a little better. Let's try 450. See? 550, and on and on. Thank you, and have a nice day.